Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial on Clo 3D. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be explaining how you can create your own custom fabric on Clo 3D, whereby you blend your graphic with a fabric on Clo 3D to form your own fabric. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. Something like what you can see on your screen right now. So this bag, I had to blend a graphic with the fabric of the bag together to bring out this beautiful result. So it's a different method from applying graphic on your fabric. I will explain that and we'll compare both. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more video. So when I say apply graphic on your fabric, so it's something like this. This is the fabric icon. Sorry, this is the fabric icon. So when you select this, then this is our graphic, and then I can just apply it. Let me see. Okay, this is circle. So let me just apply it on this one. Yes, I want to place it above. So you can see the result now. So it's even looking bigger. So we even have to like scale it down. Come in. Now the issue is now it's not even scaling it down, but when I zoom closer, it look like it is printed. You can see it's looking printed. It's not looking as if it's as blend with the fabric. So some people do things like reducing the opacity and stuff like that just to make it blend with the fabric, but that is not how to do it. You get what I'm trying to say? So I will show you how I did this now. So let's delete this. So what I'll do is to go back to my fabric, select the cotton heavy canvas, then I'm going to go to my basic parameter texture, select this triple dot icon, select open texture editor. Yeah, something like that. I'm coming. Let it reload. It has not load. So I'm going to select the hard icon and I'm going to select my fabric. I'm going to select this. This is the graphics and this is it. Let me zoom. Let me scroll backward. Yes. So select this. Then I'm going to scale this down. Hey, it's too small. Yeah, something like this. Guys, can you see this? I don't know if you compare. See this? It's looking as if they've blended together or they blend together, anyone. So can you see this? And then we can also change the color. So if you want to change the color of the bag, just select this. I will select this, yes, and select this. And okay. And I'm going to select this and select okay. Can you see? And that's how I got those results. Can change it to red. Coming. And that's how I got the result of the red bag, and apply and close. So that's just how I created this beautiful custom fabric on Clo 3D. So guys, don't forget to check out my mockup. I also sell mockups like streetwear mockup, and also my next tutorial I'm going to be talking about the zipper. I'm sure most of us, when we export our zip from Clo 3D to Blender, we lose the texture of our zip. Our zip is not visible enough in Blender. You get? And we try, like, we export several times and it's still not visible in Blender. So I'm going to explain how you can make your zipper very visible in Blender and make it look realistic in Blender. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial from Team the Creator.